Hey everybody, welcome to Life Amongst the Ferns. In our last video, we went through the initial installation process of Home Assistant on a Synology NAS, and in this video we're going to be running through the initial configuration process. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll make sure to answer them. Thanks and enjoy the tutorial. To begin, open up a web browser and type in the IP address of the machine where Home Assistant is installed, followed by the port number 8123. It should look something like this. You'll land on a welcome page where you can create a user account. This will be your admin account, so ensure to keep these credentials secure. Next, set up your location and home details. This information is crucial as it helps Home Assistant manage the time zones and other location-based features accurately. The next thing we're going to configure is a static IP for our Home Assistant server. Within Home Assistant, navigate to Configuration, Add-ons, Backups, and Supervisor, and System. Select Change next to the IP address. Set the IP to whatever static you would like to be reflected there. Once saved, you're going to have to navigate in the browser address bar to the IP address that you just set. The GUI will no longer be accessible on the DHCP address that was issued upon the installation of the Home Assistant operating system.